Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Technophone guys. You want to disconnect guys any Bluetooth speaker in your Technophone, so guys you can disconnect. And guys now let's see how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker in our Technophone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys we will have to on our phone setting to disconnect this speaker. So guys click on guys your more connection settings. Guys click on your Bluetooth setting. So as you can see guys we have connected the JBL speaker and we want to disconnect it. So friends, how can we disconnect guys? Right side guys, setting option guys, tap here. Then guys you can say disconnect and forget option. So you want to forget and guys you want to disconnect. So guys it's your choice. So I want to disconnect. So I will click on disconnect and it will disconnect to my phone. Then guys I cannot use it. So I will off it guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker in our Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet our next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.